Every time someone clicks this ugly-looking link, purchase the product, you are going to make $144. In this step-by-step video, I'm going to show you how this AI tool is making hundreds of dollars a day with ClickBank. All it takes is 10 minutes per day, and you can do this from anywhere in the world as long as you have access to Wi-Fi and a laptop. Now, if you want access to a full free ClickBank course with all the modules, step-by-step blueprint that I use to make up to $5,000 a month, comment the word free course, and I'll reply back and send you everything so you can get started. So like this video and let's start with step 1, which is to come over to this website called ClickBank. If you don't have an account, click on Start Here and click on Skip this quiz, and from here fill out your info and you're ready to roll. I do have an account, so I'm gonna log in and this is what you are going to see. Then click on Top Offers, and this is going to show you all the top selling offers on ClickBank. For example, this offer has 454 gravity score, which means 454 people have made money promoting this offer in the last 30 days, which indicates that this product has the potential to make a lot of money. So this product is a weight loss supplement. How do I know this? Well, if I click on this product page, you'll see that it's weight loss supplement called Java Burn. So let's hit promote, enter your affiliate ID. And this will generate an affiliate link for you. So every time someone clicks this ugly looking link, purchase the product, you are going to make $144 period. So how do we make people to click on this link, land on this website, and buy the product? Well, I'm glad you asked that question. We are going to use this amazing AI tool called Acool to create a realistic avatar to promote your product. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you another bonus strategies method, which is going to help you make commissions even faster. So come here to Acool AI tool or click the first link in the description below, and this what you are going to see. This is an AI tool that helps you create realistic avatar, video translation, face swap, AI images, and many more. But most importantly, we are going to use the realistic avatar feature to make money with this offer. So create your account for free and hover your mouse here and select realistic avatar. From here, click on Get Started. And this what you are going to see. Click on Avatar, and this is going to show you a bunch of AI avatar you can choose from. You can also choose avatar without a background, so that way you can add your own background as you like. But for this example, I'm going to select this pre-made template, and this is where you are going to tweak and make some changes. The first thing you need is a script to create a voiceover, which is the most important part of this process. So what you want to do is come here to the product page, and this is the product name, which is Java Burn. If I copy this name and search on vidIQ keyword research tool, you'll see that this keyword has 149,851 searches per month, which is insane. These are the people who already know about this product, and they are searching for a review video on YouTube to make sure the product is legit before making a buying decision. So there is a big potential for you to make money with this product, and all you need to do is create a review video using AI. So if I search for this keyword on YouTube, you'll see a bunch of videos popping and getting tens of thousands of views, which indicates they are making loads of money. Now we need a review script for this product, and there are two ways. The first way is to come here to the product page, copy this URL, and come here to this tool called Perplexity AI. And right here, create a review video script for this product. And you can say things like, talk about the benefits, pros and cons, and paste the link of website. This is going to create a video script for this product in a matter of seconds. Now, AI won't always create the perfect script, so you have to give it some human touch that it deserves and tweak some changes. Alright, the second way is to come over to YouTube and find a video that has the most views, or overall you think if it's a good review. Then all you have to do is copy the URL of this video, come over to this website called Tactic.io. From here, just paste the URL and hit generate, and this going to give you the transcription. Then copy this script, come here to ChatGPT, and right here, the following script is a copyrighted content. I want you to take it as an information and inspiration and create a different video and unique video script. Make sure the voice tone matches, make sure the script is similar, generate it in a way that doesn't violate the copyright content, make sure the product and the topic is same, here is the script, and then paste the script and hit enter. And this is going to generate this professional product review script. I recommend you to review it and make few changes where it needs. Then all you have to do is copy this script, come back to Acool and paste it right here. Next, we need a voiceover. Click on this pre-made voices, and this is going to give you two options to choose from, male and female. And this is where you can choose different voices. But if you want the most realistic sounding voice, click on my voice and select any one of these. For example, let's play this audio sample and hear how it sounds.
I changed my major from biology to linguistics because I was a bio major out of high school when I started attending Cuesta College in the fall of 2021.
As you can see, the voice looks so much realistic. I cannot even tell it's an AI. Next, you want to select the voice that you want and hit generate the audio, and it will take a couple of seconds to process. Now let's listen the voice.
Hi everyone, I'm Alexandra, and today I want to chat with you about something that's been making waves in the health community. It's called Java Burn.
And this sounds so darn good. Now pay attention to this before you create the video. You want to include a disclaimer saying that this video is AI generated. And the reason why you want to do this is because of the transparency. So people who watch your video is going to trust you. And guess what? When there is a trust, there is money. So what you want to do is you want to click on this plus icon, and this is going to zoom out. Then you want to drag this cursor in the 3 seconds frame and drag this footage as well. Once you do that, this is going to play the blank video for 3 seconds, and that's exactly what we need. Then, click on this background, change the color to black. Then, click on text, click on add title, and then change the color to white. After that, crop this text to where the video begins, and type here the following review video is AI generated. Then, adjust the size, change the layout, and you're done. Now the last step is to generate the video. So hit generate premium results, which will present you with 2 resolution options. You can choose either a 1080p or 4K video, and this is going to take you up to 3 minutes to process. You can also click on my library, and this is going to show you the progress right here. Alright, so the video has been generated, let's play it.
Hi everyone, I'm Alexandra, and today I want to chat with you about something that's been making waves in the health community. It's called Java Burn. If you're curious whether this supplement actually works and what you should know before buying it, you're in the right place. I'm going to share.
And there you go. The video looks so darn good, so I'm gonna download this video. Additionally, you can also use their face swap feature, which is an amazing feature too. So if you go to face swap feature, you can turn this into this. So if you want to try Cool, just use the special discount link in the description below and use the code THANKYOU in your checkout. This is going to give you 40% off in your first purchase. Now let's talk about the main subject here, which is how do we make money from this? There are 2 methods to drive traffic. The first method is to upload the video on YouTube, so let's upload the video. Next, we need a title, so I'm gonna go back to the actual video that I found. Then I'm gonna copy the title of this video, and I'm gonna use ChatGPT to rewrite it. This is going to give me different versions, so I'm gonna copy the one I like and paste it in the title. Next we need description, so leverage Chatbot to create the description as well, and just copy and paste. Next we need to paste our affiliate link, so go to ClickBank and hit promote and grab your affiliate link. Now instead of pasting this ugly looking link, I advise you to shorten your link so it looks trustworthy. What you want to do is you want to copy this link, come here to this website called bit.ly, then you want to hit create link and paste the URL here and hit create link. This is going to shorten your affiliate link and make it look legit. And on top of that, this will track how much clicks you get, and most importantly, where are those clicks coming from? Because you don't want to get cheap traffic from third world countries who will never buy anything. If you want to make sales quickly, then you want to make sure you are getting the right traffic from tier 1 countries like USA, Canada, Australia, UK, and New Zealand. So copy this link, come here to YouTube, and right here, Java Burn official website, and paste the link. Next, we need a thumbnail, so use Canva to create thumbnail like this and upload the thumbnail. Next, we need some tags, so enter the keywords about the product, like Java Burn review, Java Burn. I also advise you to use the free YouTube keyword research tool by vidIQ, and this will give you all the queries and what people are typing for this product. For example, here you can see this keyword says, does Java Burn really work? So this is a narrow and more specific keyword with low competition, so this is something you want to copy and paste it in the tags. Just like this, you are going to include as much tags as possible, and then you're going to hit publish and publish the video. Now this is method number 1. The method number 2 that I'm about to show you will help you make affiliate sales under 2 weeks. Now I cannot promise you that you are going to make money in just weeks. With organic traffic it works, but it takes the right strategies. So come here to Fiverr, or you can click the link in the description below as well, and this is what you are going to see. What we are going to do is type here, upload video on my channel, and you'll find all these YouTubers who will upload your video on their channel, as well as your affiliate links. If you take a look at this service, it says I will upload any of your videos on my 237,000 subscribers YouTube channel, and they are only charging around $10 per video. So if your video gets uploaded on their big YouTube channel, chances are your video will rank on the top results on YouTube, so you'll have high chances of making money. And a lot of affiliate marketers are using this exact methods and are making thousands of dollars consistently. So if you want to use this service, just click on it and hit contact and send them a video as well as the title, description, and your affiliate link. And they'll upload your video on their big YouTube channel, which is potentially going to help rank higher in YouTube search results and make you commissions. Now, if you're interested in gaining full access to a comprehensive ClickBank course completely free that covers everything from setting up your account, connecting domains, creating landing pages, to mastering email marketing and more, just comment "free course" or go to insider10x.com/course. I'll personally send you all the materials I use to generate up to $5,000 a month, so you can get started right away.